Hey guys and gals, Jim back here, and got another update for you. I got all the spine with the cargo modules assembled and all that. And real quick, before I go too far, this is going to be a pretty short video. But I got a question about the metal rod, support rod that runs the length of the model. I showed it in the unboxed video. The first one I did when I got the kit, and showed all the parts. Basically, it runs all the way from the back of the engine assembly module back here, all the way up to this part here and stuff. It doesn't run into the sphere, the sphere or nothing, the command sphere. But basically, it runs almost the length of the model. So, you know, it's not too flimsy and stuff. But once you get it assembled and stuff, you know, you got the weight in the front and the back. But that's basically where the rod runs at. Those are the three parts of the display stand. It's the front, the center, and the rear one. I probably will, they're pretty short, so I probably will change it around, add my own brass tubing. I know I'll add a piece of brass tubing. I'll make them somewhat taller. I'm going to run a couple pieces of fiber optics up in the sphere. I'll kind of box off where what the interior would be. I'm not going to detail it real much because the window opening is so tiny you won't see nothing in there anyway. But I will run a couple decent pieces of fiber optics in there, and run run them off of an LED down in my base. I'm going to make a wood base for it, and just run them off a 9-volt battery, just to give the impression of the cockpit, you know, being lit and stuff. So, but this will probably be the last video till I get her all finished up and completed, painted, and the whole 9 yards. But I just wanted to do this one last update video on the antenna assembly. These pieces, the photo etch, you get 4 of the small ones, 1 of the big ones. The big one's not a problem. The 4 small ones, they are tiny, and the little, you can see there, those are the little pins that go through the center of the small photo etch. They are small. In fact, the way that they're shaped, they're kind of come to a point on the front that sticks out from the front of the dish. It's really hard to grab them with tweezers. They just want to keep popping out. They give you 2 extra of those. They give you 2 extra of the small photo etch pieces, that the crisscross pieces and stuff. But that probably took me about 2 hours, about a hour a piece, to try to figure out a way to get those little pins there, get a grip on them, and then get them glued into the little center hole where they go and all that, and keep from having, and they're not very long either. So that's real tricky and stuff. I can't really tell you how to go about doing it. It's going to be your own, you know, your own figure and stuff. You know, I wish I could help with that more, but I tried several different things till I finally got them to stay in and be able to get them glued in the little center pins that hold the photo etch piece, and that was that. But I just thought I'd come back with the real quick update where I'm at. The spine's all finished up with all the cargo modules, and I wanted to show you the antenna dish. And yeah, I'm gonna light the sphere. You know, it's not gonna be a big bright white shocking window opening, because like I says, the window is very tiny and all that. So there's no sense really going to town on a detailing and everything or anything. I'm just gonna make a little partition in there to, you know, give it the effect that there's a wall behind the window, like you see in the bigger one, or the ship in the movies and stuff. But you know, there's not going to be no detail because everything will be so tiny. So other than that, that's pretty much it. The engines, they'd be pretty tricky to light because this has got a smaller framework in there, and if you try to drill out for either SMD wires to run in there or fiber optics, you're going to end up scrapping the mounting pins that mount the 3 engines to the back of the engine module and stuff. So I wasn't even going to bother trying to light them in the engine openings. The little exhaust openings like you see here in the picture are so tiny, and that grate work and everything. You know, I'm sure they'll come out with photo etch parts for it down the line, but you know, I'm not really worried about lighting this up big time, because there's not much that would be lit at anyway. There's no exterior lighting whatsoever, no marking lights, anything like that. So just a little window opening to add a little bit extra interest. That's the only thing I'm planning on doing. So that's going to do it for now. Probably, like I said, my next video on this will be the finished model. However long that may take, a week or so. That's it. I just wanted to show what's going on. Show you a little antenna detail. I got to mount that on the center part of the spine there and all that. And like I said, I'll be doing my own. I'll use these bases. I'll use these two supports, but that round one I'll get rid of. I'll just go straight up in through the sphere with the brass tubing, and because that covers up quite a bit of the bottom of the sphere anyway. So, and I'll be doing my own wood base on it to conceal the battery and the LED that'll light the fiber optics that'll run up in through there. So that's it for now. Until the next time, take care. Everybody stay safe. We've had a week long of 70+ degree temperatures here in the part of Illinois where I live, the northern part of the state. And it's supposed to last all the way through Monday, so it's been great. Next couple of days I may just go out and enjoy the weather and put this aside for the weekend. But that's what's going on. So till the next time, take care. And thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for all the great questions you guys have been asking about this kit. I'm happy that the videos I've done as far as describing everything with my little enlarged drawings have been helpful to some people out there. And thanks for the comments. Thanks for hitting the like button and all that. And if you ever want to get a hold of me other than the comments, you know what to look for in the descriptions. I leave my email in there all the time. So till the next time, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.